All right, what's good, family? You already know 4mm premium tennis chain review video. First things first, before we get into it, like and subscribe. All right, you already know what it is. If you a real one, you were already headed to smash that like button. We got exclusive content coming out on our YouTube that cannot be found anywhere else. So subscribe, like this video. If you really rocking with us, like and subscribe. Now let's get into the ice. All right, so something we love about the tennis chain and really any of our items, but it just shines like crazy. I mean, you see this? You see the shine? Come on, it's crazy. And what we love is that it shines a little bit different in different lighting, all right? So right now we're out in the sun, you know what I'm saying? It's looking real good, but every time you rock this, you're gonna get one, all right? And you're gonna rock it. You're gonna be thinking, oh man, how's this gonna look when I hit up the club? You know what I'm saying? How's this gonna look at this party? How's it gonna look out in the sun? How's it gonna look today? How's it gonna look, you know, it shines a little bit different every time, but it just looks so good. You are gonna love it. You're gonna be so stoked to be rocking this thing. And man, we really love the shine. A lot of people ask us, you know, oh, does it really look man, we're filming this just with an iPhone. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, we ain't using no crazy editing. We ain't using no filters, no fancy nothing, all right? We're really just showing y'all what the ice looks like best we can, okay? And you know what? You don't got to take our word for it. Go hit up the customer review story highlight on our Instagram. That's enough said, all right? All right, you already know, so we ain't got to tell you, tennis chain is one of the most popular styles of jewelry that there is. Period, all right? But it's never going out of style. That's what's so fire about it. And look, it don't even matter what your style of clothes is, you know? If you a skater, you more streetwear, you high fashion, you anything in between, okay? Tennis chain is gonna look so fire. It's gonna take your fit to the next level. You are never gonna regret copping one of these. All right, let's get it, come on. You know what's crazy, man, is for this quality, the price, it's just amazing. These things are only $89, all right? This amazing 4mm premium tennis chain. We got it in gold, we got it in white gold, we got it in rose gold. We got it in 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 30-inch. Come on, 7-inch, 8-inch, 9-inch bracelets. We got everything, okay? Bracelets ain't $89. They're even less than that. But this chain is only $89. Can you believe that? That's crazy. Such a good deal, okay? So high quality. It's solid metal and it's got a 14K real gold plating on the outside. Man, the plating process on these things is so cool. It's a super advanced process. It's got all this cool science behind it, but all you really need to know, look, is that this is high quality. All right, you're getting every dollar's worth and then some, okay? And no, it's not gonna fade on you, all right? It's not gonna tarnish in a week or whatever. If you take care of it, all right, treat it well, because you gotta treat jewelry well, you ain't gonna have no problems, all right? And if you don't believe us, go hit up the customer review story highlight. Come on, you already know. Look, we've been in the game for years, okay? We've been in the game 5 years or so. We sold thousands and thousands and thousands, okay? We got 300,000 Instagram followers. That doesn't happen if you don't have quality product, all right? We've been in the game, we know what's up. You are never gonna regret getting this chain, okay? High quality, amazing plating, and the stones on this thing, man, you got AAA cubic zirconia, all right? It's a beautiful, amazing, crystalline stone, very well respected in the jewelry community, okay? And of course, every time you hear something, you know, CZ, people are gonna be like, oh, I don't know, you know, it's fake, or come on, get out of here with that. Every time you do something, there's gonna be haters, period, okay? So if you don't got $10,000, $15,000, right? That's a car, $10,000, $15,000 to drop on a diamond chain. That's how much a diamond tennis chain, solid gold, is gonna cost you, all right? We say, spend 89 bucks on this, maybe get 2 of them, okay? and save that money, use it for something else. But look, no matter what you do, this is just a life lesson, okay? No matter what you do, there's gonna be haters. So don't trip about it. You do you, figure out what you want, and then rock it and be proud of it, okay? All right, so also we got 2 base metals on these amazing chains. We got brass and sterling silver, both super high quality. Again, no craziness, no crazy fading going on super fast, none like that. Sterling silver is just a more precious metal. It probably will last you longer, but again, both of them high quality. You take care of it, and the sterling silver costs more. You know, that's just what it is. But thousands and thousands of these brass chains sold, okay? And remember, it ain't just brass, it's got that 14K real gold plating, solid metal all the way through. You're getting a high quality piece of jewelry right here. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, okay? I had to throw on the white gold real quick, show you guys how it shines. Very beautiful. Last thing we like to do with these videos is just a shine test, showing off how everything looks. Absolutely amazing, just the shine going. But first, y'all gotta comment for me, all right? Which color do you like better? Now you've seen them both, gold or white gold, okay? Stop and think about it. Comment right now, gold or white gold, all right? Enjoy the shine, enjoy the ice, and then go buy yourself a new tennis chain or 2 or 3 or 4, all right? Have a good one, family. Let's get it.